Hello my dear students, my name is K. Bharti. I am working as biological assistant at JPHS Somadevali. So, I am heartily welcoming you to revision classes for 10. In this session, I am going to explain some important topics from first lesson, that is nutrition.
Types of nutrition, the definition of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide oxygen experiments, TS of leaf, human digestive system, malnutrition, and vitamins. Nutrition. In this video, we are going to learn about the definition of nutrition and the types of nutrition. What is nutrition? The process of taking and consuming food is called nutrition. All living organisms takes food and utilize it to get energy for growth, body repairs, maintenance, etc. The material which provide nutrition to living organisms are called nutrients. For example, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, etc. Broadly, there are two types of nutrition among living organisms, namely autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Organisms use simple inorganic matters like water and carbon dioxide in the presence of light and chlorophyll to synthesize food on their own. This process is called photosynthesis. Plants, algae, and cyanobacteria are some examples to autotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. Every organism is not capable of preparing food on its own. Such organisms depend on others for their nutrition. These organisms which cannot produce food on their own are called heterotrophs. Heterotrophic nutrition is of four types: holozoic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition, symbiotic nutrition, and parasitic nutrition. Amoeba is example for holozoic nutrition. Agaricus, yeast, rhizopus are the example for saprophytic nutrition. Lichens are example for symbiotic nutrition. Cuscuta. Cuscuta is example for parasitic nutrition. Photosynthesis. In this video, we are going to know about contribution of scientists and the definition of photosynthesis. Scientists have been working for centuries to find out how plants carry out this life process. We know that among all life processes, the process of photosynthesis makes plants the universal food providers for all living organisms. John Baptista van Helmont. His experiment proved that water contributes to the growth of plants. Joseph Priestley. His experiment confirmed that gases exchange was going on. Plants were giving out a gas that supports burning and was essential for the survival of the animals. Jan Ingenhousz was a Dutch chemist. He concluded that plants use light to produce oxygen. Jean Senebio was a Swiss botanist. Demonstrated that the plants absorb CO2 and releases oxygen with the help of sunlight. Julius Robert Mayer proposed that plants convert light energy into chemical energy. Julius Sachs investigated how starch is produced under the influence of light and chlorophyll. C.B. Van Noy proposed the general equation for photosynthesis. This lead to the simplified general equation is commonly used today. Photosynthesis. Autotrophs such as plants use simple inorganic matter like water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to synthesize complex organic material is called photosynthesis. Plants releases oxygen as a waste product during photosynthesis. The end products of photosynthesis are glucose, water, and oxygen. Mole's half-leaf experiment. By this experiment, we are going to prove that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. For this experiment, we need a potted plant, wide-mouthed bottle, splitted cork, KOH, and iodine solution. Before conducting the experiment, we have to destarch the plant. Then only our experiment gives correct result. For this, we have to keep the plant in a dark room for 7 days. After destarching, insert half of the leaf into the bottle which is containing potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide present inside the bottle. Now carbon dioxide is absent in the bottle. Now keep this arrangement in the sunlight for some time and then take off the leaf from the bottle to conduct starch test. The leaf which is outside the bottle is turned into blue-black color but not inside part of the leaf. Conclusion. Carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight. These 4 aspects are very essential for a plant to synthesize glucose. TS of leaf and structure of chloroplast. By watching this video, we will going to learn about transverse section of leaf and structure of chloroplast. The plants are said to be the universal food providers. Leaves of the plants are performing photosynthesis to prepare glucose. In which part of the leaf performing photosynthesis? To know this, we have to observe the internal structure of the leaf. This is transverse section of a leaf. Let us observe the parts of a leaf. Cuticle, upper epidermis, palisade parenchyma, protoxylem, metaxylem, spongy parenchyma, phloem, stomata, lower epidermis. If we observe the palisade parenchyma, we will notice some green color structures. These green color structures are called chloroplast. Chloroplasts consists outer membrane, inner membrane, stroma, ribosomes, granum, starch granules. In each granum thylakoid, there is a coloring pigment called chlorophyll is present. This chlorophyll is capable to catch the sunlight to perform photosynthesis. Human digestive system. By watching this video, the children able to know about parts of digestive tract and digestive enzymes.
Let me explain about human digestive system. In this system, many organs are involved to digest our food. So, first observe what type of organisms are involved here. So, our human digestive system begins with mouth and ends with anus. So, here is mouth and this is buccal cavity and salivary glands, 3 pairs of salivary glands, pharynx, esophagus, liver, stomach, duodenum, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, rectum.
Digestive enzymes.
Some digestive glands are helping to the food to digestion. So let us observe what are the glands and what is its secretions. Here in the mouth or at buccal cavity we will find 3 pairs of salivary glands. In these salivary glands there is one enzyme is secreted, that is ptyalin. This ptyalin acts on carbohydrates. And then next at esophagus there is no glands and secretions are there. The next one is stomach. In the stomach, pepsin is released and acts on proteins. At liver there is no digestive glands or digestive enzymes. Here gallbladder secretes bile juice. This bile juice helps in fats emulsification. And pancreas. Pancreas releases 3 types of enzymes. These are amylase, acts on carbohydrates, trypsin, acts on proteins, lipase on fats. And then small intestine. Here also some enzymes are present. They are peptidase and sucrose. Finally, the food which we taken in the mouth is completely digested by the digestive enzymes. And digested food absorbs in small intestine by villi. And undigested food enters into large intestine. From this large intestine, the undigested food moves through and eliminate from rectum and anus. With this, our food was digested.
Pharynx, esophagus, trachea, epiglottis. Here, epiglottis allowing the food only into the esophagus. When we swallow the food, it closes windpipe. Automatically, food enters into malnutrition. By watching this video, we will going to learn about the definition of malnutrition and types of malnutrition. Lack of sufficient nutrients in the body leads to malnutrition. Poor health, willful starvation, lack of awareness, and socio-economic factors. These are reasons for malnutrition. Let us observe the harmful effects of malnutrition in the children. Kwashiorkor. This is due to protein deficiency in the diet. Symptoms of kwashiorkor: very poor muscle development, swollen legs, fluffy face, diarrhea, and dry skin. Providing the children protein content food like seafood, eggs, peanuts, and dry fruits, we can save from kwashiorkor. Marasmus. This is due to deficiency of both protein and calories. The symptoms of marasmus are looking lean and weak, swelling limbs, less developed muscles, dry skin, and diarrhea. By feeding the affected children with the proper nutrients, we can save from marasmus disease. Obesity. This is due to overeating and excess of energy intake. Obesity is a complex disease involving an excessive amount of body fat. It is a medical problem that increases the risk of heart diseases in children. To avoid obesity, exercise regularly, follow a healthy eating plan, monitor your weight regularly, stay away from junk foods. Conclusion. By watching this video, we have learned that consuming wrong nutrients causes malnutrition. Good food for good health. Vitamins, the micronutrients. By this video, we are going to learn about types of vitamins, source of vitamins, and vitamin deficiency diseases and symptoms. Vitamin is an organic molecule that is an essential micronutrients. These vitamins are very essential for every organism in small quantities. The source of vitamins to our body is through two ways. One is diet and another one is some bacteria synthesizes vitamins in our body. Vitamins are classified into two groups. One is water soluble vitamins and the another one is fat soluble vitamins. B complex vitamins and vitamin C are example for water soluble vitamins, and A, D, E, K vitamins are example for fat soluble vitamins. Let us know about source of vitamins and deficiency diseases and their symptoms. Thiamine vitamin. This B1 vitamin found in cereals, oilseeds, vegetables, milk, meat, fish, and egg. The deficiency of this vitamin B1 leads to disease called beriberi. The symptoms of beriberi are vomiting, fits, loss of appetite, difficulty in breathing, and paralysis. Riboflavin. This B2 vitamin found in milk, egg, liver, kidney, leafy vegetables, etc. Absence of B2 vitamin causes glossitis. The symptoms of glossitis are mouth cracks at corners, red and sore tongue, photophobia, and scaly skin. Niacin. This B3 vitamin found in kidney, liver, meat, fish, egg, oil seeds. The absence of B3 vitamin causes pellagra disease. The symptoms of pellagra are dermatitis, diarrhea, loss of memory, and scaly skin. Pyridoxine. This pyridoxine found in cereals, oil seeds, vegetables, milk, meat, fish, eggs, liver, etc. By the absence of pyridoxine vitamin causes anemia. The symptoms of anemia are hyper irritability, nausea, vomiting, and fits. Cyanocobalamin. This cyanocobalamin, that is B12 vitamin, is synthesized by a bacteria in our intestine. In the absence of cyanocobalamin causes pernicious anemia. The symptoms of this disease: lean, weak, and less appetite. Folic acid. This folic acid vitamin found in liver, meat, eggs, milk, fruits, leafy vegetables, and cereals. In the absence of folic acid causes anemia. The symptoms of anemia are diarrhea, loss of leukocytes, and intestinal mucus problems. Pantothenic acid. This vitamin found in sweet potato, groundnuts, vegetables, liver, kidney, eggs, etc. In the absence of pantothenic acid vitamin causes burning feet disease. The symptoms of burning feet disease are walking problems, headache, and extreme tiredness. Biotin. This B7 vitamin found in pulses, nuts, vegetables, kidney, liver, and milk. In the absence of biotin vitamin causes nerves disorder. The symptoms of nerves disorders are fatigue, mental depression, and muscle pains. Ascorbic acid. It is found in leafy vegetables, citrus fruits, sprouts, etc. In the absence of ascorbic vitamin causes scurvy disease. The symptoms of scurvy disease are delaying in healing of wounds, fractures of bones, gum diseases, and bleeding from the skin. Retinol. This vitamin found in leafy vegetables, carrot, fruits, meat, fish, eggs, milk, cod liver oil, etc. In the absence of vitamin A causes eye and skin diseases. These diseases symptoms are night blindness, xerophthalmia, retina failure, and scaly skin. Calciferol. This vitamin D found in liver, egg, cod liver oil, shark liver oil, and morning sunrise. In the absence of vitamin D causes rickets disease. The symptoms of rickets are improper formation of bones, knockness, swollen wrist, delayed dentition, weak bones. Tocopherol, that is vitamin E. It is found in vegetables, fruits, meat, eggs, sunflower seeds. In the absence of vitamin E, causes fertility disorder, steriling in males, abortions in females are symptoms. Phylloquinone. It is found in green leafy vegetables, milk, etc. Deficiency of vitamin K causes delaying in blood clotting and over bleeding. By this video, we have learned that vitamins are the micronutrients. Vitamins required in small quantities. Vitamin B and C are water soluble vitamins. A, D, E, K, the fat soluble vitamins. Vitamins are available in fruits, vegetables, cereals, meat, fish, liver, etc. B12 vitamin synthesizes in human digestive tract. Deficiency of vitamins causes
First lesson, there are some important questions. So, have a look at what type of questions will be given from nutrition lesson.
differences between light reaction and dark reaction. What is malnutrition? Explain some nutrition deficiency diseases. Draw a neatly labeled diagram of human digestive system. What food habits you are going to follow after reading this chapter? Is carbon dioxide necessary for photosynthesis? At the end of photosynthesis, is oxygen releases? Draw the diagram of TS of leaf. 2 marks questions. Why photosynthesis is considered as the basic energy source for most of living world? Name the 3 end products of photosynthesis. What is the role of roughages in the alimentary tract?